Check out this 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. 2008 GMC Sierra 1500 4x4. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 184,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This is a beautiful 2008 GMC Sierra 1500, great interior, four-wheel drive, automatic, power interior, locks, windows. New oversized aggressive tread tires make this truck look great. This truck was well taken care of and it shows, local trade, in with a clean Carfax. Sale priced at $13,800. JdAuto 406-442-2931. Stop in for a test drive. 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and OnStar.